Hi Leo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your weekend love bite. Um, Leo, these are readings for just the weekend. That's the 9th to the 11th of October. Just an energy check-in to see how you guys are doing this weekend. And Leo, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So let's begin. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Leo and send them the messages they need to hear the most for this weekend. Thank you. So Leo, let's begin. Let's begin with an angel blessing card to top the reading and then we'll go on to your tarot. So my angels, what do you have for Leo now for the weekend? A blessing, advice for Leo for the weekend, reward. Didn't this card come out for you a couple of readings ago as well, Leo? Uh, this card usually means either you're going to get something which you really want, Leo, or it's time this weekend to give yourself something, to give yourself a pat on the back for all the hard work that you've been doing so far. Maybe you never give attention to yourself. It's time to give yourself something that really makes you happy. Treat yourself like your best friend this weekend and do something fabulous for yourself. Let's see why this card is out and what is my lions and lionesses going to experience this weekend that they need a reward. Let's see. So welcome back my subscribers. Thank you for all your love and support. And if you're new here, we welcome you to the Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel. We meet here weekly, monthly, weekends for all kinds of readings and we'll be happy to have you with us. So do join us and be part of the Omkara family. We welcome you in. So newbies, this is going to be a mini read. We do this just for the weekend to check on your energies. Oh, getting over some heartbreak as well. No wonder you need to reward yourself, Leo, this weekend. So let's see. The first card I have here is Judgment. Moving towards a brand new life, Leo. World, Queen of Pentacles, Chariot, Five of Swords, Eight of Wands in reverse. So Leo, I think you're looking forward to something brand new in your life. You want a rebirth of your life. But Leo, I think there are still some decisions which are pending, right? There's some decisions which are still being made, even though you can't wait to start this brand new chapter, new life of your life. It just seems, Leo, that the old chapter is not fully shut yet. There are still some pending things to be done. Maybe you're trying to still work things out which haven't really reached to fruition. There's still decisions being made. And this cycle of your life, the past one, hasn't been shut yet. And maybe you're not feeling that, the Leo energy of the go-getter and I'm going to go forward and use my passions and, strive for new things in my life. And this is the Leo card, King of Wands, right? This is in reverse. Maybe somebody is being a bit selfish around you or you feel life is unfair. Your zest for life is a little bit missing right now. And maybe you're feeling a bit down. And that's why maybe Spirit is saying it's time to get over your heartbreak, Leo. Give yourself a little pat on the back. I mean, this was just maybe a chapter of your life which didn't work out. It's ending. And keep yourself in high vibration. Give yourself a little reward or two, right? There is a Queen of Pentacles here. Let's see who this is. Who's this Queen of Pentacles, Spirit? And maybe there is somebody you want to meet. Maybe there is somebody that you want to reunite or you want to meet or you want to spend the weekend with. But I don't think, Leo, right now you have the excitement inside you to reach out. Maybe you do have your eyes set on having a good time or meeting somebody who you find attractive or you want to meet up with. But I think this weekend you're feeling that you're really not in your element. You feel a bit of a blockage. Yeah, you're feeling a bit blocked right now, a bit stressed, up in your head, stressed, worried, not wanting to move ahead with anything new, maybe feeling a little low because this energy of the past is maybe still lingering in your energy, right? And making you feel still a bit heartbroken, still a bit sad, still not giving you that. And now I'm repeating myself, but I do see you a bit stressed out, Leo. You feel that you've been beaten down by your enemies. You feel that, you've been, yeah, there was maybe somebody who came and somebody who was not right, somebody who was rude or mean, did something nasty to you. You feel like they won over you, and you feel embarrassed now. You feel, your enemies are always winning over you. It's not making you feel very happy, and it's not making you feel very communicative either. Yeah, you're not feeling that attraction. You're not feeling that love anymore. You're feeling a bit down and out and stressed out. And yeah, I have the Five of Swords in reverse again, which is feeling beaten down. That's all. I mean, this entire reading screams of that Leo right now, you've been feeling a little low, not communicating with anyone either. Maybe, Leo, seeing the kind of zodiac sign you are, you're always up and about, chatting with people, flirting with people, trying to, reach out to as many people as you can. But I'm seeing here that you feel that, I see you a bit disillusioned, to be very honest. I see you as feeling that, people play tricks on you, nobody is honest with you, feeling a bit depressed and low. Okay, Leo, I think what Spirit is trying to say, you have to get up now and reward yourself. Enough is enough. We don't like to see lions and lionesses in this mood, right? If you've had some kind of heartbreak, we need you to get over it now. So let's see what you're going to do this weekend now, Leo. Eight of Pentacles, Justice, and the Moon. Leo, this weekend you're not still wanting to work towards anything. You feel you don't have the energy to work towards anything, I think, this weekend. You feel things have not been right. People just cheat you. Again, same messages are coming out, right? So you've kind of lost your direction here. You don't know which direction to move because I think your own unhappiness is pushing you down. You feel things have not been just in your life. People have always done injustice to you. And you feel till this chapter of your life doesn't shut out, I'm not in the mood to do anything new. Right? Justice is in reverse. So this is how you're feeling. Still I don't get justice, till I don't complete this chapter out. I'm not in the mood to work towards anything else. And the Moon in reverse, Spirit. Moon in reverse. Whatever secrets have come out from this last chapter of your life, Leo, it's made you feel a bit disillusioned. You don't want to move towards anything new right now. It's made you feel a bit lack of love, self-love. You have started feeling that maybe I'm not good enough. Maybe nobody else is good enough for me. There is no love in this world. And what's the point of reaching out to somebody if I'm going to always kind of get heartbroken and never have love in my life? So Leo, I think my angels are trying to urge you. Oh, come on, Leo. Stop feeling ungrounded. Stop feeling unstable. My angels are urging you to reward yourself with something nice. You have to pick your energy up, Leo. You can't go down, okay? For weekend readings, I never do this, but I'm going to take 3 cards as to some advice for you. So, my angels, what advice do you have for my Leo now? They're feeling a little sad, it seems, not having any trust left in life. Any advice for my Leo? Okay. There is somebody exciting and passionate coming towards you, Leo, or if you are a feminine watching this, you are going to be picking yourself up. This is a fire sign card, right? You are going to get that fire and drive back into your life. You are going to be moving ahead very soon once this old commitment of yours is over, right? Once you have put a death to this situation, you are going to begin new and in a very stable way, Leo, and you are going to be shining. You are going to have so much of attention on you that you're going to be spoiled for choice, right? So instead of being in that energy of Being down. Okay, use this weekend well. This is almost at its end. Whatever you're feeling, whatever this last chapter was, whatever this old commitment was, it's all going to be over soon, and you are going to be moving ahead in a very, very happy space. It's time to give yourself some self-nurturing, some self-love, and filling up your cup again, because Leo, very soon you're going to be moving ahead from these troubled times into a very beautiful, calm, new area of your life. Okay, not maybe area, I don't mean like a physical thing, but in your mind and heart space. Emotionally, you're going to be in a beautiful space once again. So if you have been feeling like that, Leo, uh, please listen to this reading and pick yourself up and reward yourself this weekend. Things are only going to get better after this, right? Your rewards are coming. Believe in that. Love and light. Take care, and I will see you soon for your next reading, Leo. Till then, pick yourself up and give yourself some good rewards. Namaste.